Good and bad days to cut your hair part 2. So we'll start with April 13. So pag April 13, ikaw ay nagpagupit, this is a good day because this is a good day for blessings and happiness. And pinaniniwalaan din na yung mga problems will resolve on this day kapag ginawa mo yan. So let's go now naman sa April 14. So that's good karma. And it's a good day also for wish fulfillment. Dumako naman tayo sa tinatawag nating April 15. April 15, that's a bad day because that's a day of misunderstanding with others. Kapag April 16 ka naman nagpagupit, that's a bad day also because it weakens your spirit essence. At kung April 17 ka naman nagpagupit or magpagupit, ito po ay hindi rin maganda because it will give you spiritual disturbances from ghosts and wandering spirits. Kung April 18 naman, it shortens the span of an elderly. So, kung ikaw ay 60 years old pataas, that's a bad day for you to have your haircut done. So, let's go naman sa April 19. April 19 then is a bad day because health declines and it can make you get sick on that day. So, dito naman po tayo sa April 20. April 20 is a good day because sudden windfall ang iyong mararanasan. Maaaring sa gambling, sa surprise bonus, expensive gifts, or opportunity to make money. So, April 22 naman po tayo. It's not a good day to have your haircut done because yung inner essence and vitality mo might weaken. So, April 23 naman po tayo. It's a good day lalo na sa mga elderly because it will increase yung lifespan nila. April 24 naman is a good day to have your haircut done. Kaya lang ito ay para sa mga single lamang ha. Kung ikaw magpapagupit ng April 24 at ikaw ay single, you might meet the one. Kung April 25 naman, yan ay magandang araw because power and authority will come to you. You can get promoted and you can be asked para mag-lead ng isang project or isang magandang opportunity na ikatatag ng iyong career. Kung April 26 naman, that's a good day also because intelligence and knowledge ay magi-increase sa side mo. Kung April 27 naman, ganun din, intelligence and knowledge ang maaaring mag-increase sa'yo and it is an excellent day for students and young children to cut hair. Samantalang ang tinatawag nating April 28, medyo talagang iwasan yun because it brings danger and violence. You can have an accident or kahit ano pong hindi maganda ang pwedeng mangyari sa April 28. So, iwasan nyo po yan. Samantalang ang April 29 naman is a good day because good fortune will come to you, good luck will come to your life, and yung areas na maaaring mag-improve sa'yo will really improve. And last but not the least is the April 20. It's a good day also for investment, increase of possession, and maaari ka rin maka-acquire ng mga new properties. So that's about it guys, and thank you very much. So if you're interested to know more pampaswerte, don't forget to follow me. Like na rin po itong video na to at i-share nyo po sa inyong wall because yung mga nag-share po sa kanilang mga wall, inilalagay ko po yung mga pangalan yan at ako po ay gumagawa ng manifestation mention for those people who are doing it as an energy exchange. Again, this is Angel Card 88 saying love and light to all and let's be a blessing to others, mga kaswerte.